From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Here is the forecast for Tropical Storm Don. Looks like it's going to continue to be a tropical storm until maybe the beginning of the next work week, and then start to lose some of its tropical characteristics as it turns more towards the north and east, heading into some cooler waters. Elsewhere in the Atlantic, watching this area coming off the West African coast, Hurricane Center currently gives us a small chance of further development over the next 7 days, but that'll be an area we'll continue to monitor. So far this season, we've had 4 named storms. Obviously, the latest was Don, so hopefully we don't get too far into this hurricane list of names for 2023. 95 degrees yesterday in the capital city, so that's the hottest we've been so far this season. We've hit 95 a few times. No rain at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport. There was a few areas that did get a little bit of shower and thunderstorm activity yesterday. Do think we'll have a better opportunity for rain today. There's the latest run of our forecast model showing showers and thunderstorms becoming a little bit more widespread. It looks like later this afternoon and this evening. You notice that is 6 o'clock this evening, the showers, storms moving from the upstate down to the low country of South Carolina. By the time we get to about 8 o'clock, the main line kind of moves on through. Although this model continues to show a little bit of rain impacting parts of the southern Midlands, it looks like very early Friday. And I will say Friday afternoon, rain chances appear to be pretty small across a large portion of South Carolina, with maybe just that isolated shower or thunderstorm chance, maybe a slightly better chance for rain real late in the day. You're talking about late Friday night into early parts of Saturday. And I will say the latest run of this model really backs down on those rain chances for Saturday. Again, we'll be monitoring that. We're also going to be monitoring the chance for severe weather today. Basically, this is 2 out of 5. We're at 2 here for severe weather threat there. That's the slight risk, and that would include all of South Carolina and the Midlands at this point. And as of right now, the greatest threat would be damaging wind gusts, although the Storm Prediction Center does have at least parts of the Midlands and the Palmetto State under risk for a low risk for hail and that tornadic risk. So again, the greatest threat would be damaging wind gusts. The good news is it looks like the smoke that was impacting parts of the area earlier this week will continue to clear on out, so that's good news there. It shouldn't be as hazy as it was. There are heat advisories in effect for at least parts of South Carolina down in the low country of South Carolina, so the heat and humidity certainly a factor once again today, with heat index values in the Midlands in the triple digits, air temperatures in the low to mid 90s, with that chance for showers and thunderstorms later this afternoon and this evening, lows dropping back down into the low to mid 70s. Heat index values probably even higher tomorrow. They do drop, it looks like, on Saturday, as our air temperatures will be dropping as well. Lake forecasts, basically the same forecast with that chance for showers and storms today. Only isolated showers and storms possible tomorrow. Beach forecast, basically the same, although it's going to be a bit cooler for parts of the Grand Strand. It looks like 91 degrees, maybe a little bit hotter by Friday. 96 Friday afternoon in Myrtle Beach, 95 in Hilton Head for today. Here's the Midlands forecast, low to mid 90s both today and tomorrow. Those temperatures do decrease over the weekend as our rain chances increase on Saturday. Gradually, those temperatures do climb back to normal, it looks like, towards the beginning of the next work week. Coastal forecast looks like there's going to be a chance, at least a small chance, for rain each and every day in the upstate. And notice these temperatures, especially Saturday morning, highs in the low to mid 80s, and then things start to warm back up. Now, looking ahead, our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook is indicating warmer than normal conditions for South Carolina. Matter of fact, a large portion of the country at this point, and that would be July 27th through August 2nd.